Hi, welcome to the startup and some training for a Waltron 3040 colorimetric analyzer. Once it's installed, we have it here, powered up. Any 4 to 20 signals and alarm relays be powered up into this block. Terminal block descriptions are in the manual. As far as wet sections, your sample comes into the side and your reagent should be below the analyzer. You'll need to install your reagent tubing, R1, R2, R3, and your calibration standard. The tubing should be labeled and it should correspond with the reagent pumps that are inside here in your wet section. Once you have all your reagents connected, you need to do a reagent prime before starting the analyzer into operation. In order to do that, hit the display button, press the manual button, scroll down through your list of commands to find add reagent 1, change your timing to 60 seconds, press the on button. You hear the reagent pump adding reagent 1, and after 60 seconds, the reagent line will be primed. After reagent 1 has completed, we will scroll through and do the same thing for reagent number 2, also 60 seconds. Once reagent 2 is complete, scroll down to reagent 3, also 60 seconds. Once all 3 reagent lines have been primed, it's a good idea to come back to our selection, do a drain command for 7 seconds. Now make sure the flow cell is empty of all the reagents that we just primed the lines with. From here, we are ready to start a calibration. We back out to the main screen, go to run, hit the extra command. This will start a calibration. See auto function in the bottom corner, and the analyzer will go through the calibration process, which is approximately 11 minutes long. Once the calibration process is complete, the analyzer will go into standby mode. You'll see right up here, and we won't see our auto function down here anymore. If the calibration failed, we would see a calibration failure alarm in this corner. To check our calibration factor, we would log in with the service password, 4 ones, come to Program, Calibration, and this calibration factor right here is the latest calibration factor that the analyzer has calculated. Outside of a range of approximately 1400 to 2500 to get a cal failure alarm, as long as the factor is within that range, the analyzer is considered that a good calibration, updates the factor, and is ready to go online. To start the analyzer online, go to the run command and press start online. The analyzer will now run its cycle, approximately 11 minutes. It will take the reading, display that on the screen, and then wait for the next cycle. It will go continuously as long as sample is detected by the fast loop reservoir. Should sample end and not be at the analyzer anymore, the analyzer will wait for sample to come back and not take any samples. In order to stop the analyzer in online mode, you can repress the button at the top, and that will allow the analyzer to complete the current analysis that it's on. If you need to stop immediately, you can press the emergency stop button and then the reset button to put the analyzer back into standby mode, and then either put it back online when ready or calibrate manually.